Ngonyama mhlambe to respond directly embuzweni othi mangakhi ama-transformer. Ama-transformer esiwa-submit-ele Eskom ebo-47. Imiphakathi that ought to benefit from this imiphakathi yaseNyukhasela ngokuhlukana, Osizweni, Atadeni, Lobush, Ndozo, Dix, and areas ezinye eziseceleni kwase-Newcastle edolobheni. Then I can say it covers mostly amawadi amaningi ase-Newcastle. So-ke imiphakathi yethu-ke ezobenefitha yase-Newcastle azange kubhekwe ukuthi maphi amawadi alidwa imaphi ama-political parties, but kufanele ukuthi senze i-justice because abantu base-Newcastle sikholelwe ekuthini mase besifakile kumasipala sangena sonke sesi into eyodwa i-council elidwa umhlonishwa uNdabezitha. So the decisions that we take kumele kube ama-decisions esiwathatha collectively and kumele kube ama-decisions that are going to benefit abahlali base-Newcastle without i-discrimination kwe-affiliation yabo to certain political parties. Okokuqala lokho, mhlawumbe okwesibili ukuveza ukuthi sifike kanjani ekuthatheni lesi sinqumo. It was through ama-submissions that were made by people during ama-IDP roadshows. Kuma-IDP roadshows there was i-outcry eyayinkulu ngento yama-transformer. Abantu besho ukuthi Eskom is expecting them to pay at least 75% and each household 6,050 rand. We then had to intervene. It was the initiative by the Office of the Mayor in Newcastle. And maybe I need to clarify this because akufanele kube into esithusayo ukuyisho. Mina I'm deployed by the IFP as much as umalumama uNkosi deployed Team Sugar South Africa. Fortunately, uMageba noMvelase were deployed by the same party. And if umholi, you will know ukuthi the party esuke deployed, that is where you derive a mandate from. Into ekumele sisho singayihloniphi leyo. And during the IDP roadshows, there were IFP leaders ababekhona ukuzo-assessa nokulalela ukuthi imiphakathi ikhala ngani. So that when we come back, bezokwazi ukuthi sihlale nabo phansi bathi cha Mayor nomkhandlu wakho kulezi thangami sibonile ukuthi nakhu la nisalela khona. Can you please prioritize this? And this is one of izinto esavumelana sonke after ama-IDP roadshows ukuthi we must give priority to. Hence i-council yahlala ekuqaleni kokuhlala kwe-council ngayenza i-submission and some parties felt ukuthi they cannot support. But to give them comfort, we then said, no, let us go back. Siyobuka ukuthi ayikho yini imtheshwana esiphikisayo kwenza lokho. Understanding very well ukuthi that is one of our mandates derived from the Bill of Rights and the Constitution of this country. Sahlehla-ke, as UMM did allude ekuqaleni ukuthi we then solicited illegal opinion. Illegal opinion then yabuya ithi impela kufanele. Then we sat again as a council. We then said, no, it is now okay. Asiwakhokhela ama-transformer. Again, on that meeting, there are parties who did not support. Akusikho kwami ukwasho la. But uma sesiphumile sesiya ngaphandle, asikwazi ukufika Ndabezitha emphakathini sithi khona ama-parties angakusupportanga. Okwethu kusho ukuthi i-council ithatha i-decisions abakhokhela abantu. Nabo banezathu zabo zokuthi bangakusupport. So-ke sihambe-ke safika lapho. Ngokodaba lwe-load reduction, umhlonishwa uMM Robehleli lapha eduzane kwami. Kunesikhangisi esaphuma lapha eNewcastle esithi sifisa abantu abazophehla ugesi ngalendlela yamanje yesola. And one of the reasons why kwakuthi sifuna ukuthi sikwazi ukulekelela uEskom ukuthi abe nogesi owenele ngoba lento ye-load reduction ayilimazi kuphela imiphakathi, ilimaza nama-investors. So-ke akhona amabhizinisi obonayo ukuthi ayasafarisha and in the main amabhizinisi abantu bakithi asemancane asakhula, and we cannot allow that. So-ke ngizama ukusho ukuthi kungangaba into ezokwenzeka namhlanje, but yes, we are on the process ukuthi-ke siqedele leyo tender ukuthi kube khona abantu abazoqala generate ugesi through into yesolar, so that we can supply ugesi ebantwini bakithi, sehlise nomthwalo ku-Eskom in terms of load reduction. Mhlawumbe-ke as much as kungesiyo into esiphelile, but I would say kuyinto esiphelile because sesingakwazi ukuyimemezela ukuthi through u-ETIA kukhona i-intervention, kukhona ikhampani ezoqala ukuphehla ugesi ngomoya eNewcastle, which is umsebenzi ka-8 billion. And through that initiative again, sikholelwa ukuthini u-Eskom uzokwazi ukusupply abantu bakithi ngogesi, and kithi-ke kuyi-advantage because izobe yenzeke eNewcastle. So abantu bokuqala to benefit kumele beyithini eNewcastle. So-ke those are the initiatives ukukhombisa ukuthi abantu bakithi siyabezwa uma bekhala, siyindlulise iy'khalo zabo. We will recall, noma abahlali emakhaya will recall ukuthi at some stage sake sazama ukuqala sake saba ne-attempt yokuthi kuvulwe iNgagane Power Station, which was not successful, but-ke sikuthokozela ukuthi-ke noma leyo ingazange ibe successful, but le ezovulwa yokuphehla ugesi ngomoya izosivala leso sikhali esasifisa ukusivala ngaleso sikhathi. Nathi laba abazobe besiphehlela ugesi ngamasola kuzokwazi ukuthi kubambisane. So-ke siyasazi isikhalo se-load reduction, well akusiyo i-area esupplywa yithi ngogesi, i-area esupplywa Eskom, but Eskom rightfully said by u-MM ukuthi enye ama-state organs, so kufanele silekelelane ukuze-ke sikwazi ukudlula lapho. Collaboratively kumele sibe ne-approach yokuthi sindlula kanjani. Well, kuyikhoze ama-delays bengingeza ukufika ngoba ngiyafisa ukuthi ngikusho siphazamisekile kakhulu. Like ekuqaleni ngeke ngasho ukuthi mina I'm deployed by i-IFP, and that is where I derive mandate from. Every Sunday with the other parties esibambisene nabo as i-IFP, including Team Shuka, South Africa, DNA, and the other parties, we sit. Uma sesibuya kuma-parties ethu ukuyothola i-mandate, savumelana ukuthi-ke uma sekukhokhiwe asiphushe phela ama-transformer abuyele. And it's very disturbing ukuthi after 2 years u-Eskom usathi awuqedile uku-audit. Njengoba ngithi 2 years, I mean 2 years. There is i-transformer yase-Ward 11 eyake yathi ukusishukumisa umholi we-Team Shuka South Africa. That was almost 2 years ago. U-Eskom uthi awukaqedi uku-audit. But what is more disturbing ukuthi there are few transformers engingawamenshina, 4 of them to be specific, are replaced within 48 hours. Now the question will be, if there is fairness and justice, auditwa nini? Now come back to say i-list yethu yokukhokha imali esizoyikhokha sitshelwe u-Eskom, and u-Eskom mayizosinikeza imali, i-audit should have happened. There's no way la unganikezwa khona ukuthi khokha imali engaka kunga-auditiwe. The fact ukuthi u-Eskom ukwazi ukusitshela ukuthi i-number of households e-benefita kulama-transformer malini ekumele ikhokhwe, then that is evidence ukuthi thina kithi i-audit was done, only to find manje-ke ukuthi i-audit kwezinye indawo was not done. But-ke kunjalo u-Eskom silwela ukuthi awuhambe u-Eskom uyofaka ama-transformer, kusiphutha lethu njengomasipala. They should have done that long time ago, and we are prepared ukuya kunoma yiphi indawo uqinisekisa ukuthi u-Eskom uyawafaka lama-transformers, because we cannot allow ama-state organs noma-ke u-Eskom ukuthi usetshenziswe ukudlala ipolitiki. We cannot allow that. Mhlambe-ke kuba i-subject for another day leyo sengigqoka isigqoko sepolitiki, but we cannot allow ukuthi u-Eskom usetshenziswe osopolitiki ukuze bafeze inhloso zabo. Thina siku-understand-a kahle ukuthi isinqumo sithathwe amakhansela collectively ngoba besingafuni ukuqhamuka nakho ngeqembu elithile. So-ke we are hoping ukuthi nalaba abafowethu abebekwa Eskom izolo bozwakalisa ukunganeliseki uzokuthathela ekhanda u-Eskom lokho. And I've learned ukuthi there was a meeting between u-Eskom, u-MM and the manager in the office of the mayor. Bezama-ke ukuthola indlela yokuthi kuzokwenziwa kanjani-ke ukuthi kiwe phambili. Siyamukela u-Whip of Council yaseNyukhasela uZwide, umholi we-Action SA South Africa kwi-council yethu. Sikhulume-ke eyokugcina engicabanga ukuthi sidinga